Hi guys, how are you doing? So I'm sitting in my brand new mesh house. We just finished this project about 2 weeks ago and stuff already growing in it. I hope you can see the tomatoes and some greens as well. So yeah, this video will be about how we built it. We have done it all from scratch and built from simple materials. It was about 10 hours of building all together, and I squeezed it into about 20 minutes, I think. So yeah, hope you like it. Have a look and let me know what you think in the comments, and see you later. So we start with cleaning the garden and my valuable plants. Yes, some of them got damaged. Getting all out and collecting the beautiful soil I already had in there, so we can put it back into the new greenhouse. Cleaning is done. Now preparing the workbench for cutting the timber. By the way, I put all the details regarding the building materials we have used regarding the timber. So it is simple fencing material what we've got, and yeah, I put the sizes in there, so check the description or our blog if you are interested in making something like it as well. So the first wall is getting done. So you see, we have done everything from scratch because simply it was the cheapest way to do it. So here 2 planks are coming in and the foil. So the 2 planks is the height of the veggie patch actually, and the foil is to stop any leaking from the wood which has been treated. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, so my darling is making the heaviest jobs. I am just assisting and do as much as I can. So you see, he is putting the foil underneath and out, so the wall of the veggie patch, it's completely covered with foil. Yeah, some support there, so we don't have to hold it all the time. Now the second wall, and you see now, I forgot to put the camera on, but you see the net at the back wall already. We had to put it at first before we put the wall in, as there is a fence, so it wouldn't be possible to do it later. So this was the only wall we have done the netting first and then put the wall on. So now checking the level with my husband, everything has to be perfect. Now I got the job to do and do the level. Of course the level has to be there because we want to have it straight and stand there for the next few years, hopefully. So yeah, now checking the doors. This will be the wall where the doors get in. The door is a simple outside door with a mesh we got from our junkyard, from recycling center. So the next wall is done. You see the foil there as well. The foil goes to the outside, the hanging foil. So now doing the veggie patch. Again, slippers here on this side and foil from the inside of the veggie patch. So putting the cardboards in, so no weeds coming through, and it's also a great mulch material. And now my frozen bananas coming into game as well, so doing as a mulch. Yeah, we need some more dirt here to get it leveled. I'm still adding some more dry banana plants and other sticks and anything what I found. As you might have seen in my other videos, these are all the banana leaves and bananas which were frozen during our frosty nights. We had a few of them. So yeah, here now from the workbench to the veggie patch. So this is the last we needed, the last slipper. So yeah, foil again, which comes on the inside of the veggie patch. Checking the level again. Yep, looking good. So now we've got also foil on the walkway, so in between the veggie patches, and I will put some holes into the foil so the water can come through, but no weeds coming out. And I will put some stones just because we had them. I don't know what we would put in there if we wouldn't have any stones, but yeah, this with the stones is a really nice idea. So yeah, getting the soil back in. This is the same soil we removed from here. It's a really good soil, and with the old organic matter, the bananas, and yeah, the cardboard as well, it will make all together even better soil for the veggies. So you see, we have filled the veggie patches with soil and pretty much nearly finished the whole inside area before doing the next wall, which we do right now, as it is much easier to do it without the wall, obviously. So yeah, here is 2 planks, the height of the veggie patch again, foil. Yeah, it's my turn to check the level. Now Seb has to get into it, so it will be done finally. So, the next wall in. Yeah, you can do it. Good kick into the frame, gets it into place. Yeah, nail gun is a very nice tool. You can do it without, but it will take much longer. Yeah, here the spacers, you can see the spaces in between, which are needed because of the planks underneath at the bottom. Now here the roof area. Again the same. Simple fencing material. So it's basically made like a cage. We think it's a really great idea. So here you can see the other timber added to add the strength, and everything stays in place. Oh, now the nice part, getting the net. We are putting it into place and nailing with a staple gun. the roof area. We have put a stronger and darker net because the last year it was a disaster with my tomatoes. They were, half of them were burned from the sun, so we're hoping this will do the job now. Now the door. Looks good. Now additional timber for the lock. Yep, that's it. Looking good. So additional timber at the bottom for the door and pretty much nearly done. So now my work can start with the gardening and planting some veggies in. Great job! So the project is finished and the fence is back in, and also we have added the planks here for more stability and also to make sure nothing gets in between. And now let's get inside and I show you what else we've done there. Simple lock. So the planks are stapled from inside, these two nets together. Also the planks here on top. See, we have nailed in I hope you liked our project and this video, and if you did, please put a thumb up for us and share and subscribe to our channel if you still didn't. See you next time. Bye!